Welcome to this video where we'll tackle a problem encountered in grouping legends in ggplot. The problem at hand involves organizing the legend into multiple parts, which can be challenging when working with complex visualizations. Now, let's delve into the solution for our legend grouping conundrum. To start off, we need to load the necessary libraries to enhance our ggplot capabilities. These include ggplot2, newscale, and ggh4x. These libraries will provide us with the tools needed to manipulate the legend layout and appearance. Continuing with our solution journey, we can see how adjusting specific parameters can refine the legend presentation. By utilizing the scale_fill_manual function with defined aesthetics, values, labels, and breaks, we can control the coloring and grouping within a legend. Moreover, tweaking the theme settings allows us to finely tune the legend's position, spacing, and background styling for a polished look. In summary, by leveraging the functionalities of ggplot2, newscale, and ggh4x, we've successfully overcome the challenge of grouping legends in ggplot. With careful adjustments to the code snippets provided, we've achieved a visually appealing layout that separates the legend into distinct parts. Remember, when it comes to data visualization, the devil is in the details. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Who knew legends could be so stylish?